Well, good morning, everybody. It's Thursday, January 15th at about 9:20 in the morning. And as you can see behind me, we're getting quite a heavy snowfall with this storm that's hitting a lot of the northeast right now. We've already got probably 15 centimeters, and it's going to snow most of today too. So there's the potential of getting around 20 to 25 centimeters in this area, as is the case for much of southern Ontario today. So I just thought I'd do a few little clips along here on my morning walk. So around here, it's been snowing since about 11 o'clock last evening, I think. And the current temperature is minus 12.5 degrees centigrade. So quite a cool down from the last week, where we've been enjoying some above freezing temperatures right up to 7 or 8 degrees on some days, and lows just going down to either just below freezing or a few degrees above freezing. So it's quite a change, and it looks like the future is going to get even colder. So not looking forward to that, but it is winter after all. Well, between the snow and rain we've had early this winter so far, we're building up a fair amount of moisture on the ground. Hopefully it'll get into the ground come spring, because it's been very dry here ever since last fall. It'll just depend on the weather heading into spring, I guess, whether we get a lot of dry, sunny days that cause the snow to sort of evaporate into the atmosphere, or we get cloudy, wet periods with increasing warmth that allows the existing snow cover and ice to melt slowly and get down into the ground as the ground unthaws. That's sort of the ideal situation, but sometimes it does disappear quickly with a dry, sunny spring. We'll have to see what happens. So here's the morning after the big storm yesterday. And by my estimates, we got at least 25 centimeters or 10 inches, so a good dump of snow. And we've done the first basic cleaning yesterday afternoon and still need more to do today. And this morning early it was minus 24 centigrade or minus 11 Fahrenheit. So it's gotten very cold here overnight. And the skies are crystal blue. So it's very pretty out, but very cold. The snow along the side of the track here going up into the pit is about 1.5 feet deep. There's the little barred owl up in the tree, tried to get the sunlight.